Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this OUKITEL WP10 5G. It's a rugged smartphone with a whopping 8000 milliamps battery and an 18 watts fast charger and a huge 6.67 full HD screen with a lot of capacity. It has 8GB of RAM, 128GB of ROM, 48 megapixel Sony camera, is shockproof, waterproof, dustproof, and a lot of other things. So I'm going to show you what you get in the box. I mean, of course, I had it already open, but I'm showing you what you will get. Get the small instructions manual, USB-C charging cable, then a very powerful charger, which even supports native quick charge with higher voltage, not just like fast charge. Then you get this adapter, like 3.5 millimeter jack for audio, like headphones. Comes in this nice box. I'll move this thing a little bit to the side, and it comes with this plastic cover which you have to remove here from the top. My advice, be very careful with this thing when you remove the thing, because underneath there's a real screen protector, and that's a really nice one because it's nicely applied without any bubbles. Make sure that you don't destroy the thing when you're pulling the top cover from the side, and you can see how fast this is unlocking. It has a really nice face cam. It has a punch hole camera, and it is really good quality. And it's also fast. It's unlocking the phone with the face unlock really fast, but you can also use the fingerprint sensor on the side here. Just hold it, and usually it works very fast. Yeah, by the way, I'm going to show you everything regarding the hardware. Here we have an extra SOS button, which I have never seen with a phone. This is a really nice thing here. You can configure this inside the software, so it will then send SMS, like text message, to some predefined people. Here we have this extra button which you can use like for screenshots or as an underwater camera button, which most phones don't have. Here we have the opening for the charger, really nice solid lid. You can see that's the USB-C port here, easy to open, easy to close. Here we have even a hook to attach a wrist strap. Then we have the speaker opening here in the back. On this side we have the SIM card opening here. You have to pull a little bit from underneath, and then you can pull it out, and then you can add one SIM card on the top and another one at the bottom. It's pretty easy to put it back. Just make sure that it's really flat, so nothing really happens, but it's pretty easy to add or remove SIM cards. Then we have the fingerprint sensor here again. Then we have the on off button, like just normal power button, nicely textured here, so you can feel where it is, and then the volume up and down, and the microphone, and the nice cameras here. Just with a small bump here, you can see it's not standing out a lot, so it's pretty flat. What we have here, the massive battery, 8000 milliamp battery inside, that makes it of course really large, heavy and thick. The good thing is what I like, I mean, if you like large phones, rugged phones, this thing is a little bit thicker than usual, and that means that you can grab it very easily. I mean, now I have programmed the light to a long press. You can see I can turn it off and on easily. That's really nice, even without having to go into the menu. Then it comes with the quick steps user interface. You can do normal stuff like moving things around or even make groups of icons, those things. So it's behaving like normal, what you are expecting from user interface. Nothing special, really easy to use. You have all the normal settings from Android phone. You can see what you have a lot. You can see also the storage. I have added already around 300 apps, and you can see there are still 100 gigabytes of storage free. We also have the Android version 10 here confirmed with the last security patch, which is pretty normal. I think that's pretty up to date here. We have a lot of settings. I can't show you everything. We have here even a gloves mode. Here you can see the SOS. There are so many things here built already into this system. And here we have the gesture. You can see you can activate or deactivate the gesture. You can have the 3 buttons, or you can use the gesture navigation. Then we have the camera, really fast camera. We have many options here. We have the video, we have photo, we have beauty, we have face cute, we have bokeh, we have macro lens, we have night mode. And for all these settings we have the artificial intelligence support. We have some quick settings here on the side. Can see timer on, off, the format, and HDR, which we can activate, face, and we have much more settings. There are a lot which you can do, and the camera is pretty fast, very responsive. I didn't have any problems. So here you can see some sample images, and you can see the quality is really good, really nice. Focus, everything sharp. Good colors, very nice dynamic range with the HDR, and the overall performance is really very good. You can see you can search, or I mean scroll through websites really fast. I've tested this with the Geekbench and it has been showing about 20% faster than the Helio P90. So this is with the latest CPU of the MediaTek, very battery saving, really fast, responsive, also with the 8GB built inside. It's very capable also for gaming and whatever you want to do, multitasking. So it's a really solid thing, and the 8000 milliamps battery, yeah, this will last almost for a week. So for me, really solid thing. I haven't found any major bugs or like bloatware or so. For me, it looks like a really solid device. And by the way, of course, we have the 5G support. You can see that here on top it says VoLTE 5G. I hope you can see that. It's fully supporting the T-Mobile SIM card, which I have here inside, right? From the beginning, I didn't have to change anything. So at the moment, definitely full recommendation from my side, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.